Okay, so this exercise is called a better burpee. Now, if you Google burpee, if you're not familiar with it, you'll be able to see a video of what an actual burpee is. Very common exercise prescribed generally in like a group fitness setting, but it's not one of those exercises that most people are going to be able to do well. There's a large range of motion covered with this, and usually there's high level fatigue that accompanies this exercise, whether directly from the exercise itself or work that's been done leading up to the burpee. Generally, what a regular burpee, what it's going to look like is this. You're going to drop down, do a push-up, pop back up, and then jump. Most people, what they'll do is they'll drop down, low back's going to drop, hips are going to drop towards the floor. They'll arch even harder as they go back up. They'll come back up and then they'll jump, and maybe their jump is probably not going to be a jump where they're actually pushing into the ground with their legs. They'll probably do a combination of initial push and then they'll finish it with their low back and jump up. So we're putting all this stress, a lot of compression, low back area, your sacrum, so your tailbone area, neck, and over time, this can accumulate and manifest in aches and pains, dysfunction as far as like where you're developing tension to display your strength. So like on an example, like that push-up portion, I was creating tension and compression back here to stabilize myself as I went down, rather than maintain this position here as I go down into a push-up and use my abs. People will compensate and get around that with high levels of fatigue. So, long intro, here's the better burpee. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go down, you're gonna walk your hands out, walk your feet out to push-up position. Now, if you can do a push-up, emphasize reaching long through the floor. If you cannot, just hold this position here for 2 to 3 seconds. Start tiptoeing yourself back up, walk your hands back up. When you get to the top, if you don't have any aches or pains, go ahead, or you're worried about aches or pains even, go ahead and do a jump, so a quick dip, and then push with the legs, and then you go back into your next rep. If you have aches and pains or you're worried about doing a jump, then just do a quick squat and then go right into your next rep, a better burpee.